Welcome to life. Welcome. Currently driving with major rod knock. Alrighty guys, what's going on guys? So, today, as you can see, thanks to her, we have a set of Garage Moon Power floor mats. The sick ones, the forever mats. So, you obviously know what's going on. We're going to install them. Alright, so we got the mats now. Boom, son. I've been wanting these floor mats for so long. Let's go put one on the driver's side so we can get the nardy and everything in the video in one clip. I got the floor mats in my trunk too. Oh, that looks sick. That makes the interior right there, dude. Now I just need a red bride seat. Whew. You got a never content chest thing now?
And then I'll get that. And then the light bulb.
Why are you so tan? So
I can't.
Got headlights for the bricks now, so I could do that and we can drive at night. So I might go do these in a little bit. Probably later on this evening.
Oh, you're supposed to show them
I did show it on you. We got the tofu shop sticker. That's going on the door. And we got the never content
Desmond!
other bigger sticker. So, I just tested this bulb here. And it works. Plugs in. Has the 3-prong adapter like the S13 Factory 240 plug has. So it's an H4 bulb for anybody who's wondering. It's called an H4, and got it on eBay for $5. Got 2 of them for $5 on eBay. Definitely better than the $50 at AutoZone for 2 of them. So anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the headlight off so that I can test the light, or see if I can get it to go into the bolt socket. Alright guys, so that's basically gonna be the end of the video for today. It was just a quick video showing you guys that I got the Garage Moon Power floor mats. Oh, my thing's open. That I got the Garage Moon Power floor mats, and let me turn them on too. And that we got a headlight bulb on this side. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and give me the thumbs up. Peace.